Is it recording? Oh, it is. Hey you guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be giving you guys a farmer's market haul. Usually, I'm only going to the farmer's market about once a month, and sometimes I barely make it then. But now I'm becoming more disciplined to be like, look, you need quality fruits and vegetables, so you're just gonna have to make that hour drive at least once a month. So that's what I have here. Most of these fruits and vegetables will be getting juiced because I want to really get back on my Zoom when it comes to juicing, because I really enjoy it, and I enjoy it for the taste and for the health benefits, of course. As always, of course, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. As you can see, my counter is covered, it is full. I am just gonna do a quick little skim through of everything. This video is gonna be short, sweet, and straight to the point. And then what I'm gonna show you guys next, which you should stay tuned for, my next video will be me showing you how I organize it into my refrigerator, because it looks like a lot of things and my refrigerator isn't like huge, as you guys could see in my previous haul, but I like to show you guys organization hacks, and I want to be able to reference what I was talking about having a smaller fridge and your organization not being the same every single time. And that is pretty much how I'm going to be showing you guys how I organize, how I reconfigure. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned for the next up and coming video. But for now, let's get into this haul. So to start out, here is the star of the show, what I went for. It likes to be sold out a lot in my area. I don't know about y'all, but in my area, the seeded watermelons are sold out quite often. So I did pick up not one of these, not two of these, not three of these, but four of these. It doesn't last long. I am gonna juice about 2 or 3 other watermelons, and then I am going to be eating the other ones, and for the family, cutting it up, because my family loves to just eat watermelons. So this is the first thing. So first, I like to pick up some apples. So right here are the green Granny Smith apples, and along with those, I like to grab some red apples also. And I do a lot of juicing with my green apples. I like to pair that with celery, cucumber, ginger, and a little bit of lime or lemon. That is like my go-to green juice, and it's very, very good, very hydrating for you. So if you ever want to give that a try, that's the combo: celery, cucumber, green apples, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of lime, and you good to go. I did go ahead and pick up a couple of oranges. I don't really juice these. My baby likes to eat oranges. It's a great snack for her. So I did grab like a whole bunch of oranges. And then next up, I got some bananas. Bananas go quick in my house, but they also go bad quick. So I didn't even get 2 bundles this time. I was like, we're gonna stick to one, and we're just gonna have to get it locally when it run out, because when I got 2 of them, they go bad too quick, and when I get 1, they will be eaten just as fast as I can blink my eye. But that's okay, that's okay, it's all right. So next up, I did go ahead and grab a handful of mangoes. I plan on pairing my mangoes with some mango and guava and kiwi. I think I'm gonna do like a mango, peach, guava, kiwi drink. I haven't quite decided yet, but that is what I got the mangoes for. A pomegranate. I ain't pick up no pomegranate. My husband picked up a pomegranate because he be eating these. I'll taste it here and there, but I don't eat them like that, so I just leave that up to him. I also got a couple of lovely cucumbers, because like I said, cucumbers are super hydrating, and I love them for my green juice. So I always like to keep some cucumbers on stock as a meal replacement. I want to juice it real quick, nice and simple, and it's also a great snack option. Next up, I picked up a few carrots. I didn't pick up that many because honestly, I don't make many juices that includes carrots. I actually want to regrow and repurpose these in my own garden, so that is really why I got the carrots. Grab some lemon. They're pretty big. I'm pretty sure, like, these are on the bigger side, and I grabbed about like 8 of those. I use lemon for my morning lemon water with some warm water. Lemon in the morning, first thing in the morning. Lemon has to be on hand. That's great. I have been slacking off with that, but I want to get back into drinking my lemon water in the morning. It is great for minimizing the amount of mucus And based on my blood type, my body do produce quite a bit of mucus, especially when I first wake up. So that warm lemon water do me right every time. Some limes along with those lemon, and I grabbed a couple of those. I don't really keep limes on hand, but I want to include them more in my watermelon juice in case any of my watermelons are bitter. I'll add that to the watermelon taste. And I also keep some on hand because sometimes, like I said, I like to add it to my juices. But you do not need much lemon or lime when you are going on your juicing journey, I'm telling you, because you will have a sour mix. You can mix a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables in a juicer, but once you go to putting too much lemon, lime, ginger, turmeric, it's just going to overpower everything. So keep that down to a minimum if you're going on a juicing journey. Some kiwi, and sometimes I do add these to my green juice that I was speaking about, and then sometimes I also add these to my yogurt, granola, and honey bowls in the morning, because you know we all used to the yogurt, granola, and the blackberries, blueberries, strawberries. But listen, try that same bowl and slice up some kiwi and different other types of fruits. You won't regret it. You will not regret it at all. I did grab a couple of blackberries. I absolutely love blackberries. Like, I don't think I could survive without blackberries. And I finally started adding blackberries into my juicing, and I cannot wait to make a blackberry pineapple ginger drink juice on my options too. It's gonna be so good, and it's gonna be like a whole elderberry juice vibe, and I'm excited to go ahead and try that. So I grabbed 3 packs of those blackberries because, like I said, I can't survive without blackberries. And also on that list of things I can't survive without is blueberries. I absolutely love blueberries. They are a staple in my house. Don't go without them. And to add on to that, I also grabbed some strawberries. Have to have strawberries in the house. First of all, like strawberries in my juice, like strawberries with breakfast, like strawberries as a snack, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. A strawberry gonna be up in that thing, especially in my matcha. I've been feeling the strawberry matcha lately, and if you want to see that recipe, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Try strawberry matcha instead of just the typical matcha. It's gonna change your life. You're absolutely going to enjoy it. I did go ahead and grab some pineapples. They did go ahead and cut them for me because it's just easier. I just don't care to cut pineapples. Yes, I could easily buy the little pineapple cutter chopper, but if I have an option to pull up in line and y'all just chop it up for me real quick, that's way easier. Let me show y'all something else though. So even though I usually have them cut up the pineapple for me, I did ask them to put the head of the pineapple in a bag for me because I want to repurpose and regrow my pineapple into a whole nother pineapple. So I did ask for them to keep that. I really wanted to ask them for multiples, but I'm like, let's stay slow and steady, Diamond. Learn how to make pineapples, how to regrow pineapples first before you dive head in, because it's been having me in a chokehold. My husband did grab yellow grapefruit for us to try, and I did grab a dragon fruit to try. I actually grabbed 2 dragon fruits, a regular dragon fruit, and I also got the yellow dragon fruit. So these are 3 new fruits that I've never tried before. I just want to expand my palate when it comes to fruits because I stick to the same typical things. So I just really want to try other fruits, try other vegetables, things I've never tried before. I also grabbed a couple of bell peppers. These go bad very quickly too, so I only got a red one, orange one, yellow one, and if I need to grab more, I'll just keep it very local because I don't use them as much in my meals. And I also grabbed me 2 stalks of celery because my juice. I love celery in my juices. It's great for you. Along with that, I grabbed a couple of giant, they're pretty big compared to the garlic that I'm used to. But I got about 6 pieces of garlic cloves. This is something that I plan on regrowing, repurposing also. And what else? What else did I get? Okay. What else I got was, let me tell y'all, for like, as far as like, that's not like a fruit or a vegetable, I got some coconut water because I want to be able to add that to some of my smoothies and other things. I also grabbed a couple cans of aki because I absolutely love aki dumpling with some saltfish. Aki and saltfish with some dumplings. That is a must in this household. Also, I grab a couple of broccoli. I'm usually using frozen broccoli because that's just what's local and available to me for the most part. But these, I'm gonna cook these down. Other things that I grab outside of the fruits and vegetables, which I usually buy these more on the local side in the small containers, but the farmers market have so many different seasonings already crushed, and look at the size of it. Look how long this will last compared to the small seasonings that you just go to the store and buy over and over again. So this right here is a whole thing of garlic powder that I have. I also grabbed some onion powder, and my husband grabbed some spice thyme, a large thing of thyme, and then he also grabbed him some curry powder from there because we use curry a lot. Also, the last thing on my list that I grabbed was some lovely ginger. Ginger is one of those things that's a staple in our house. I really wasn't a fan of ginger at first until like I met my husband and everything. He's Jamaican, so they don't be playing that about like healthy foods, superfoods, all natural things. That's definitely where I got all this from. And then lastly, finally, what I got from the grocery store. You can't even really see it, but y'all see it. It's turmeric. It is turmeric. I've been saying I'm gonna go pick some of that up for the past couple of weeks because you can't just roll up at the grocery store down the street and pick up the actual turmeric root. And I really want to grow some turmeric. At the farmer's market, I usually don't get really much of any meat. I usually get, like, my husband will get some red snapper. I'll get like fish products sometimes, but for the most part, I'm going there for all the goods, all the health and wellness things. But that is pretty much it for my farmers market haul. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.